My dear friends, hello and welcome back to the channel. Today a special video because I want to celebrate you and me and the work. This is a real beauty. Not just because I've made it, but I never saw on YouTube something like this. And today I want to show you the car, to explain the car overall to the newcomer, to the one who don't know my channel, and there are so many looking at my little numbers. And so please don't comment, don't like, and don't subscribe. Thank you very much. Let's go to see the car. From the outside, at the first sight, you don't notice any difference between this and the standard Tamiya one. But take a closer look. One thing is very important. Sorry if you feel bored, but this is the result of the work, all what I had to throw away, starting from the box, that to me is a real crime. Also these to eliminate. These are all the stickers I don't use, and these are instructions. I used to put them together and then in a special record. These are the templates and the parts. This I made wrong. I had to make another one. This is story. And this is all the trash. It's not so much, but how many do we are? I don't say nothing else. This is all the trash. These are the envelopes, plastic envelopes, other papers. In this box I have these that are the parts I didn't use, with this wonderful antenna tube. And in this other box I have the technical parts that I don't use. Once I used to take them all together, but not. Now I decided that if one day someone wants to sell a model, this is the way you have to sell it, with a story. You don't sell just a model, but a story, with the videos and so on. So this will be stored in a proper way, as perhaps you already know. Fantastic. Fantastic. And pay attention. In the rims, they are chrome, and here what is there? This is the inflating valve, also on the rear. But near at this rear wheel there are these two tubes. They are real exhausts. And a lot more here inside. There's a pilot, and the pilot is quite like Jackie X. But let's start with the technical things. First of all, open the car. No body clips. Magnets. 1, 2, 3, 4. And this is the lights wiring. A removable cockpit. 1, 2. And you see that the pilot stays into the cockpit just holding the steering wheel. If I want, I can remove the pilot and under I have a perfect cockpit. Perfect. Yes, a nice cockpit. So when the car is on the shelf, has not the pilot inside, but quite difficult to see exactly what's inside. Front fenders are attached to the body, and all the wiring are under a special sail repair waterproof adhesive tissue. What else? These are the tubes, very rough. You don't see them, but it's very solid. Remember, this is not a static model, this is an RC model. And, oh yes, mirrors. I use real shining sticker. I apply the Tamiya sticker on a shining adhesive, then and cut. The interiors are obviously divided in two. This is the dashboard, and the dashboard is made like this. Just to give the idea, it's not perfect. I repeat, this is an RC car. And here inside you see we have fenders, and from the rear of the car this structure to fill the emptiness of the body. And this is the frame, nothing special, very few technical upgrade. Ball bearings in the front, the kit comes with bushing, metal bushing, quite nothing else, because the frame is super fantastic. These are the magnets for the body, and my usual electronic fitting system, that is one 1060 Hobby Wing ESC for brushed motors. We can change with this ESC the battery source, if it's LiPo or not. The switch is inside because it's so easy to reach it. The receiver is a flying receiver with this sponge tube I can put inside, and she stays there. This is the light switch. I carry it from car to car, and they are not very expensive things because I use the Noble FlySky Noble radio, and the receiver is quite expensive for FlySky, not €6 but 33, 16, 60, the ESC near 100. As I have more than 100 cars, it's easy to understand the Vantage. On the other side, the only frame upgrade I made is here on the battery compartment. This clip is very easy to lose, so elastic, and it's not finished. I cut the switch just to pass by the wires, and the battery stopper is with the body. So you do this, and you have always near your hands all what you need to close the battery compartment. Where is the hole? Perfect. Wiring as best as I can. Engine sport tuned, good engine, and this is the structure I made for the middle of the body. Here in the rear car there's the gearbox, and it's quite different, but there's such as things on the rear to hold these. I have invented absolutely just to keep this up. This is perhaps is not so, but a little bit. It's nice. It fills the car. These metal fenders are quite like the real one, because the car has a part of the rear fender with the frame and the part with the body. On the front, I made just one thing. I cutted the rims. The rims were very large, so I cutted them Under you see this aluminum. I like aluminum, generally I use plastic, but it reminds me the early Tamiya models. Gives a different look to the car. Let's see the body. I made very nice light glasses, scraping lines, 2 holes, because it was very flat. This I don't like, but it's quite difficult. Yes, you can do everything you want, but there's a limit. And from the front, this is the cockpit. Mirrors are mounted with nuts, not with a clip. You see the clip from the, it's not so nice. Some openings, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, let's see, 5 and 6. Maybe in the future I will open also this. A car is never finished like a house. You go into your house, then in the years you always change something. And on models I used to do the same thing. The rear lamps are quite realistic, painted with a Tamiya transparent, and then inside chrome. This is not a car for competition. With all these fittings, it will be a pity to damage. This is just a car for fun. Also, the weight. Okay, with the pilot too, because when I use it, I used to put the pilot inside. How much does it weigh? 1 kilo, 143 grams. With a battery like this, you can also put a LiPo mini battery, so the weight 1 kilo, 532 grams. I don't know the exact weight of the original one, because this Tamiya don't say. I think this 100-200 grams more could be a bad thing for the speed, but it's also a nice thing, because it's a little bit heavier and it stays down on the track. And this is my car, my friends. I'm very happy. Thank you very much to you all, because the numbers, my little numbers on the channel, are very, very good. And I received a lot of comments, and I want to thank all the people that made comment to me. And the community is more banded after such a long 2 months, more than 2 months of work. And every 3 days, 1 video, 20 video. A great effort, but also a great pleasure. So please don't comment, don't like, and don't subscribe, because if I ask to do this, I see that my numbers are very little, but we are very good. So bye bye to the next Tyrrell 6-wheeler.